Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix if no connections are available in Windows 10. So let's get started. So simply click on network icon, click here, click on troubleshoot, click on close. This may fix your problem. But if it doesn't, so the next step is simply open the control panel, click on network and sharing center. Now click on advanced adapter settings. Right click on your network adapter and click on enable. Now click on your internet icon. Here you can see our problem is fixed. You can also fix your problem by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.